Hello, and welcome back to Master English Channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and I'm so excited for today.
Me too, Anna. Today we have a special adventure. We're going to learn English in real life.
Yes, and right now we're at the zoo.
Exactly, the zoo, a place with many animals.
But first, we need a ticket. We have to buy a ticket to enter.
Perfect, Anna. Let's go to the ticket counter. Before we go in, if you're new here, please click subscribe. It helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to like this video. It means a lot to us. Hello, 2 tickets please.
Very polite. 2 tickets, please.
Thank you very much. Now we have our tickets.
Good, but the zoo is very big. How do we know where to go?
Maybe a map? We need a map.
Excellent idea. A map shows us everything. Look, the lions are this way.
Let's go. I want to see the lions first.
Here we are, the lion habitat.
Wow, look at them. They are so big.
They are lions. See the big one with lots of hair?
Yes, so much hair around its face.
That hair is called a mane, a lion's mane.
A mane. It's beautiful. What are they doing?
They are resting. Lions rest for many hours. They are carnivores.
Carnivores? What does that mean?
It means they eat meat. They are hunters. But right now, they are calm and sleepy.
They are amazing. Let's see the next animal. Ben, listen. What is that sound?
That is an elephant. They make a trumpet sound. Look, there they are.
Oh my, they are enormous. So big.
Yes, elephants are the biggest land animals. See its long nose?
Yes, it's like a long arm.
That's called a trunk. An elephant uses its trunk to eat and drink.
And its ears are huge, like big fans.
Perfect. They use their ears to stay cool. Elephants are herbivores.
Herbivores, so they eat plants.
Exactly. They eat plants, grass, and fruit. Now let's look up. Way up.
Oh, giraffes. Their necks are so long.
Yes, they are the tallest animals. They eat leaves from the tops of trees.
Look at their pattern. Brown spots.
That pattern is called camouflage. It helps them hide.
And their legs are so long and thin. They walk in a funny, swaying way. Ben, look. Black and white horses?
Those are zebras, famous for their stripes. Every zebra has a unique stripe.
Why do they have stripes?
For camouflage, too. In a group, the stripes confuse predators.
They are beautiful. Are they herbivores?
Yes, they eat grass. They live in groups called herds. Now let's visit an animal from Australia.
Kangaroos. They hop on their strong legs.
Yes, and see the mother? She has a baby in her pouch.
A pouch. That's amazing. What's the baby called?
A joey. Kangaroos are marsupials, animals with pouches. Let's see something different. Over here.
Whoa, that looks scary. It has a big mouth and many teeth.
That's an alligator. It's a reptile that lives in water.
It's not moving, just floating.
They are patient hunters. They eat fish and are carnivores.
Ben, look at this big, slow animal on the ground.
Ah, that is a tortoise. It has a hard shell on its back.
A shell? For protection?
Exactly. The shell protects it. They are very slow and can live for over 100 years.
100 years? Wow. Are they herbivores?
Yes, they eat plants, vegetables, and fruit. They are very gentle.
It's cold in here. Why is it so cold?
Because these animals love cold weather. They are penguins.
They look like little birds in suits. They can't fly.
No, but they are amazing swimmers. Look how fast they are in the water.
They walk in a funny way. They waddle.
Now look at these beautiful pink birds.
Wow, they're so pink. And they're standing on one leg?
These are flamingos. They get their pink color from their food.
Why one leg?
It helps them rest and stay warm. They are very elegant.
Shh, Ben, it's dark in here and quiet.
This is the nocturnal house for animals that are active at night. Look, an owl.
Its eyes are so big, and it can turn its head almost all the way around.
Yes, owls are excellent hunters. They are nocturnal, which means active at night.
And so quiet, I can hardly hear them.
Listen, I hear chattering and laughing.
Those are monkeys. They are very active and social. Look at that one. It's jumping and playing.
Monkeys are intelligent and curious. They love fruit and live in groups called troops. Now, a big and strong animal, the bear.
It's so big and furry. Look at its paws.
Yes, and its long claws. Bears are omnivores.
Omnivore, a new word.
It means they eat both plants and meat, berries, fish, honey.
So many colors. Red, blue, green.
This is a parrot. Some parrots can even talk.
Really? They can say words?
They mimic or copy sounds. They have a strong beak to crack nuts.
Ben, look how big and strong that animal is.
That's a gorilla. They are very intelligent primates.
It looks so thoughtful. It's sitting quietly.
Yes, gorillas are gentle herbivores. They eat leaves and stems. The leader is called a silverback.
Silverback? Because of the silver hair on its back?
Exactly. They live in family groups.
Oh, Ben, look at that beautiful bird. The colors.
That's a peacock. The male has the colorful tail feathers.
The feathers are so long and shiny, blue and green.
He can spread them out to make a big fan. This is called displaying.
It's incredible, like a beautiful living fan. That animal has a big curved back.
That's a camel. The big back is called a hump.
What is the hump for?
It stores fat, not water. This helps them live in the hot desert.
They look very patient and calm.
Wow, Anna. What a day we've had.
I know. I can't believe how many animals we saw. My head is full of new words.
Let's try to remember them all. We started with the powerful lions and their big manes.
Then the enormous elephants with their long trunks.
Perfect. We looked up at the tall giraffes with their camouflage spots.
And we saw the striped zebras, the hopping kangaroos with their joeys in the pouch.
The scary alligators, the slow tortoises with their hard shells, and the swimming penguins that waddle.
And the pink flamingos on one leg, and the big-eyed owls in the dark.
Don't forget the gorillas, the silverbacks, and the peacock with its amazing feathers.
And the camels with their big humps for the desert.
And I watched the playful monkeys, the big bears, and the colorful talking parrots.
We learned herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, reptile, marsupial, nocturnal, so many words.
You did so well today, Anna. Learning English in real life is fun, isn't it?
It's the most fun. Thank you for being my guide, Ben.
The pleasure was mine, and thank you, everyone, for exploring the zoo with us today.
Now, we have a question for you. What was your favorite animal? Please tell us in the comments.
If this real-life lesson helped you, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is learning too.
Waving! Thank you for watching and learning with us. Goodbye!
Until our next adventure, keep exploring and keep learning. Goodbye, friends.